Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso! So, welcome back dito sa Conversations with ERR Stories kung saan ang pag-uusapan naman natin for today ay ang tatlong signs paano natin malalaman that we are already crossing someone's boundaries. At yung pangatlong sign, medyo guilty tayo dito, no? And we're trying really our best to address this. So, ano nga muna ba ang boundaries? These are actually our personal limits that we set with other people, which indicate what we find acceptable and unacceptable in their behavior towards us. They help us protect our sense of self and maintain our well-being as well. So yung mga boundaries natin, pwede yung physical boundaries, emotional boundaries, and even mental boundaries. And these are actually essential for healthy relationships and self-respect. In my own case, ako kapag nagsiset ako ng boundaries, halimbawa sa office, usually kapag kunwari